Good morning, mountain slugs. We're up in Park City right now. We're getting ready for a big ride. Hoping to put in about 45 miles. It's 35 degrees. We're kind of underdressed, but it's supposed to be 66. So as soon as that sun gets over those mountains, it should be fantastic. It's beautiful up here this morning. Got the gravel bikes out again. Snow still up on the trail, so we're gonna get in some good base miles. Follow along. Beautiful morning to be out riding. We're on the rail trail and we're gonna go from the Park City area all the way into Coville to Echo Reservoir and then flip around and come back, and it should be about 45 and a half, 46 miles. So it's a little chilly, my eyes are watering. I'm ready for that sun to come up, but we kind of wanted to get an early start, get some beautiful light in the video for you. So let's keep ripping it. Enjoy. Always close the gate. Yep. Woo. Yeah. Oh, the sun. Oh man, it feels so good. Just even a little bit of light right now to warm everything up. It is definitely chilly. Fingertips are frozen. Everything else feels pretty good, but my fingers should have worn the lobster mitts, that's for sure. I underestimated the warmer temperatures we've been having, plus the altitude. Trying not to wreck here. So it's a little chilly, so we might stop up here and just soak it up for a minute and see if we can get warmed up just a tiny bit. Well, it's official now. We'll be in the sun the rest of the day, the rest of this ride. That's good. The fingers are warming up. You can really feel the heat warming up with that sun. So from here on out, the ride should be more pleasant for sure. We stopped here just for a minute. The trail is pretty soft. I mean, it's not muddy, it's just soft because it hasn't been rode a lot because it's been winter, and it's zapping us. We're almost 16 miles in and definitely feeling it. But we're definitely going to make our goal today. We've got not too much longer to go here to get into the city, then down to the lake. We'll hopefully make it to that old railroad bridge. It would be really cool to show you guys. So we'll just keep doing it. I think on the way back what we'll do is we'll ride this for a little bit, probably catch the dirt road along the river, and then maybe into some of the back roads through the town, just to help our legs just a little bit, because this is pretty taxing. And we're riding about 16 miles an hour, but we're working for sure. So it's definitely warming up. Fingertips are just a tiny bit cold, but here in a little bit we'll be able to shed the jackets and put our summer gloves on, and it should be fantastic. So we'll keep ripping this. This is serious a butt kicker. It's soft, but there's been quite a few horses or cows on this. We're down to 10 miles an hour now, and this is seriously some of the roughest crap I've ever ridden. It's horrible. It's just horrible. We're probably gonna have to take a road route. We're gonna have to figure out something on the maps to bypass this, because this is just crazy. It's so brutal. You never know what you're gonna get, I guess. Sometimes we'll keep plugging forward, and we'll definitely get to do an alternative route coming back. Well, we are at Echo State Park. We are 22.5 miles in. We're gonna stop up here and grab some grub and then start heading back. We're gonna have to definitely, like I said, take a definite alternate route around that trail, because it's brutal. It's really bad. It definitely needs some dry time and some ride time on it to get it smoothed out. They might even have to grade it. It's so bad. So we're gonna go up here, grab a bite, and enjoy the sound of the birds and the quiet, and then we'll turn around and rip it back the other way. All right, we just had a quick snack, got some good protein and some good some dates in us, and we are gonna head on out of here, start packing these miles back on. We got 22 back to the truck. A little bit of an adventure with the road ride we got in that we're gonna have to figure out and navigate as we go back, but we're gonna bypass that trail for sure. So let's get ripping this. We are almost at 31 miles. It's finally warm. We got all our summer stuff on. It feels fantastic right here, so we're taking a break for a minute. We cut through town, cut across this overpass, and then down onto the trail. This trail's a lot smoother. So from here on up to Park City, it should be good riding. The sun should be out the whole way. So we're gonna have some soft stuff in that canyon still, just a little bit, but we'll just grind it out. Bikes are doing awesome. We're definitely sore from all that vibration earlier, but legs are definitely feeling the miles. But we'll just keep ripping this. Let's go.
All right. 32 miles. Legs are trashed, but there's a turkey.
That's a big tom, dude.
That thing's huge.
That's a big bird. He's interesting. Wow. That is crazy how big they are. You don't realize how big they are until you see one like that. I know he's kind of fluffing up, but oh yeah, he's strutting his stuff. Come on through. Almost done. 43:10. I'm trashed. Seriously trashed. I don't even know what to say. We'll do the outro up there.
We made it back to the truck. Let's go.
Hell yeah.
Let's go.
All right, we made it. We clocked in at 45:07 for mileage. I don't know the rest yet. I'll have to add that into the end, but it was definitely a slog on parts of that trail that were very bumpy and very slow, but I think we're maybe right around 4 hours, maybe a little less. Well, I'll put it up once we get all that data downloaded from the computers, but whew, it was a good ride. It was definitely fun. Got to see some cool stuff. Hopefully next time we do this, maybe we'll do a night ride. It'll be dry and fast. Typically going through that canyon where it should be right around 20, 21, 22 miles an hour. Today, I think honestly, we were probably about 11. It was very slow. So anyway, I hope you guys are doing great. Get out and rip it. Whatever you ride, whatever you do, enjoy yourself. Keep inching your way to the top. Thanks for watching.